Are you trying to decide between Bookmap and Quantower? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare these two trading platforms to help you choose the best one for your needs. Both Bookmap and Quantower are tools for traders. They help you visualize market data and make informed decisions, but they do have some differences. Let's start with Bookmap. This platform is known for its unique heat map feature. It shows you where buy and sell orders are in real time. This can help you spot trends and market movements quickly. Bookmap is great for day traders who need detailed market insights. Now, let's talk about Quantower. This tool offers a wide range of features, including advanced charting and multiple data feeds. It's designed for traders who want to customize their experience. You can use various indicators and tools to fit your trading style. Quantower is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. So, what sets them apart? Bookmap focuses on order flow and market depth. It gives you a clear view of where traders are placing their orders. On the other hand, Quantower is all about flexibility. You can tailor the platform to your needs, making it highly adaptable. When it comes to features, Bookmap excels in visualizing order flow. Quantower shines with its extensive customization options and tools. Both platforms offer strong capabilities, but they cater to different types of traders. In terms of pricing, Bookmap typically has a subscription model, while Quantower offers a free version with optional paid features. Depending on what you need, one may be more cost effective than the other. In the end, if you want to dive deep into market orders, go for Bookmap, but if you prefer a customizable platform, Quantower is your best bet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.